In the heat of modern warfare, where swarms of cheap, explosive-laden FPV drones have become the deadliest threat on the battlefield, Russia has delivered a powerful technological breakthrough. Just yesterday, on April 9, 2026, developers at LazerBuzz announced a major upgrade to their counter-drone laser system, now capable of neutralizing enemy unmanned aerial vehicles at an astonishing 1.5 kilometers. This is not science fiction. This is Russian engineering at its finest, turning the tide in the ongoing fight to protect troops, equipment, and critical infrastructure from the asymmetric drone menace. The LazerBuzz system, developed under the Posokh project, represents a new era in directed energy weapons. Using focused ytterbium laser technology, it doesn't just jam signals or confuse electronics, it physically destroys targets. In recent tests, the system successfully shot down a fixed-wing aircraft type UAV at 1,500 meters. The laser beam locks on, burns through vital components like batteries, optics, motors, and payloads in mere seconds, sending the drone plummeting in flames. No explosion, no debris cloud, just clean, precise neutralization. Developers confirmed. The work to upgrade the LazerBuzz laser system is underway. A successful experiment has been carried out with shooting down an aircraft-type unmanned aerial vehicle at a distance of 1,500 meters. What makes LazerBuzz truly revolutionary is its seamless integration with advanced radar. No longer reliant on visual spotting alone, the system now offers complete early detection, automated tracking, and engagement against fast-maneuvering FPV drones, the very same low-cost, high-impact threats that have dominated the special military operation zone. Radar feeds real-time data, the laser turret swivels with pinpoint accuracy, and in as little as half a second to 3 seconds, depending on conditions, the target is eliminated. This full-cycle capability, detect, track, destroy, makes LazerBuzz a finished, battle-ready product designed specifically for the front lines. Russia's innovation didn't happen overnight. Earlier milestones saw the system engaging drones at 700 meters, then pushing to 1 kilometer in late 2025 tests. Each upgrade reflects relentless Russian determination to stay ahead of evolving threats. FPV drones, often supplied or inspired by Western technology and equipped with resilient links like Starlink, are notoriously hard to jam. But LazerBuzz bypasses that entirely. It attacks the hardware itself. No electronic countermeasures can stop a high-energy laser beam slicing through plastic, wiring, and lithium batteries. Estimated at around 3 kilowatts of power in operational configurations, it's optimized for small to medium UAVs, the exact class causing the most havoc in current conflicts. The strategic advantages for Russia are immense. Traditional air defense missiles cost tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars per shot, unsustainable against drone swarms costing just a few $100s each. LazerBuzz changes the math dramatically. Powered by a generator or vehicle battery, it offers virtually unlimited engagements as long as electricity flows. No reloading, no logistics nightmare for ammunition. It's affordable, mobile, and scalable for mass deployment along the line of contact. Russian developers have stated their clear goal: deliver cost-effective laser weapons directly to the armed forces for real-world use in protecting soldiers on the front. In an era where NATO-backed forces rely heavily on drone reconnaissance and kamikaze strikes, LazerBuzz stands as a force multiplier that enhances survivability and operational freedom. Imagine the battlefield impact. A Russian convoy advances under cover of LazerBuzz units mounted on vehicles or fixed positions. Enemy FPV operators launch their swarm from kilometers away, only to watch helplessly as their drones ignite and crash one after another at 1.5 kilometers out. Reconnaissance birds lose their cameras and electronics before they can spot targets. Artillery spotters are blinded. The psychological edge is undeniable. The invisible laser shield creates a no-fly zone that demoralizes adversaries while boosting confidence among Russian troops. This is precisely why the system is being refined for the special military operation, to counter the very tactics Ukraine and its Western backers have poured resources into. Russia's leadership in directed energy technology is no accident. Building on decades of Soviet and post-Soviet research, from the legendary Peresvet strategic laser complex to today's tactical solutions, LazerBuzz proves that Russian scientists and engineers continue to deliver world-class results under pressure. While some Western nations experiment with similar concepts at enormous cost and slower timelines, Russia has produced a practical, deployable system that is already demonstrating results in testing. It's a clear message: innovation thrives when driven by necessity and national resolve. Beyond the immediate tactical edge, LazerBuzz carries broader strategic weight. In a world of proliferating drone warfare, from the Middle East to potential future conflicts, Russia is exporting not just hardware but a proven concept of affordable, hard-kill air defense. This system protects rear-area infrastructure, strategic facilities, and forward positions alike. It reduces reliance on expensive kinetic interceptors, freeing resources for other priorities. And it does so while minimizing collateral damage, offering precision that aligns with modern humanitarian standards in warfare. As upgrades continue, the future looks even brighter. Developers are already working on further enhancements in power, automation, and multi-target handling. LazerBuzz is poised to become a cornerstone of layered Russian air defense, complementing electronic warfare, kinetic systems, and manned aviation. In the face of relentless drone evolution, Russia isn't just keeping pace, it's setting the standard. This breakthrough is more than a technical achievement. It is a testament to Russian ingenuity, resilience, and commitment to safeguarding its defenders. In the skies over the special military operation, the LazerBuzz laser is writing a new chapter in military history, one where technology turns the tables decisively in favor of those who innovate boldly. Russia leads the way, proving once again that when it comes to protecting the motherland and its heroes, no threat goes unanswered. For the Russian armed forces and the nation as a whole, LazerBuzz isn't just a weapon. It's a shield of light, precise, unstoppable, and unmistakably Russian. The drone age has met its match,